Hello guys, my name is Chandraprakash Gupta and I am from Rajasthan, Jaipur, India. I am studying in Petre Sota Tbilisi Medical Academy. Now I am studying in 5th year. I came in Georgia 5th March 2017. After that I am living in Tbilisi Classic Hotel in Orthochala Street. And now I am 5th year. I am living in continuously living in this hostel because there are some facilities very good and food is also good according to the other restaurants. I saw so many restaurants and the food is better than in TCH according to all the restaurants.
Okay, so when you land here, why you choose this hostel?
Because first of all this facility is good according to room, like everything. First of all is near to the college, and after that it will the facility is good according to bed and
Infrastructure.
Infrastructure is very good according to they give proper study tables and also the proper almirah and all. After that then is food is good because they giving breakfast, lunch and dinner according to Indian menu. So
Okay.
it's very good.
Yeah. Okay, so where is your university located?
What?
Your university.
University is I'm living in hostel, so it's near to walking distance,
How much time?
around 1 kilometer.
1 kilometer.
around 1
So
kilometer.
approximately 7-8 minutes. You.
Yeah, maximum 10 minutes you can
Maximum
walk.
10 minutes.
It's good.
Okay. So which continent other students are in your university? From
In my university, most in India, mainly part North India and South India.
Hmm.
Also some Pakistani students, Canada, and some Arabic student also, some Iranian student also, but mostly India.
अच्छा, जब आप यहाँ आए थे तो आपके साथ और कितने स्टूडेंट थे जो आपके साथ आए थे? उस बैच में कितने स्टूडेंट अप्रोक्सीमेटली थे?
When I coming Georgia, in my batch around 15 students they come. After that they will more students will come
ओके
in junior batches.
ओके. सो आपने तकरीबन आपका थर्ड ईयर हो गया?
5th year. Currently I'm 9th semester, 5th year.
ओके. सो आपने जॉर्जिया एक्सप्लोर किया होगा टोटल?
Yeah.
तो
most
कौन सी
most of
जगह
the
पे?
Georgia is so like around the main cities like the Porsche area, Rustaveli, Liberty Square, Rustaveli, Marjanishvili. After the Freedom Square, Sabur Talo, that main street of Georgia. After that, I'm going around that out of the Tbilisi, like Borjomi, Bakuriani, Godori, Batumi. Batumi is a Black Sea. Also Kutaisi, and also some
बीच वगैरह?
beaches area, some Kobuleti and all.
ओके
It's very good.
ओके. सो तिबलिसी में रहने के लिए कैसा है स्टूडेंट्स के लिए?
It's very good because some metro facility. If you want some Indian grocery stores, so many Indian grocery stores in the station is called Station Square, Vokzal, and it's very very good for accommodation and everything is good.
ओके. बस स्टॉप वगैरह हॉस्टल के नज़दीक कौन सी जगह?
In the near to hostels house, like so many
फ्रेस्को
क्या बोलते
बस
हैं?
स्टॉप वगैरह?
Fresco, bus stop,
In near to hostel, so many supermarkets,
Supermarket.
Fresco, and also bus stop is there, and you can walk in my when this university near university metro station is also there,
ओके.
and also some banks and also there's no problem in
So
Tbilisi.
what about the consideration regarding weather?
Weather is good. Most of this winter around 7 or 8 months, 4 months is summer, but weather is good.
वेरी गुड. अच्छा, तो आप कंटिन्यू ज़्यादातर स्टूडेंट ने देखा होगा आपने कि हॉस्टल में एक टाइमिंग होती है, हॉस्टल में रहने का एक खुद का. आपने हॉस्टल ही क्यों चूज़ किया और कंटिन्यू यहीं रहने का क्या बात थी ऐसी कि आपको बार बार बाहर नहीं
For
जाना?
me, because first of all I'm vegetarian, so
Okay.
first thing is this. After that is near to college, and it's better to study in hostel because you have proper environment. Not environment like you have to, because after that after 6 years you have to give MCA exam.
ओके.
So you need it for concentration,
Okay.
proper concentration. So that's for my personal reason. First reason is I'm vegetarian. So it's for this hostel is for me it's good.
तो इस हॉस्टल में और भी स्टूडेंट्स रहते होंगे पुराने जो आपके बैच के हैं, उनके नाम वगैरह बताएं?
Yeah, For like Yash Chitransh, Ritik Banga is my roommate in last year. Also Adil Khan, Abdul Rahman Razin. Also my some seniors,
निखिल
Nikhil Chauhan, Shivangi, Pamar, Himanshi.
ओके सो वेजिटेरियन फूड में सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा यहाँ खाना कौन सा लगता है?
For vegetarian food, I like to say dal, rajma, kadi chawal, and also
मीठे में
sweet is everything. Gulab jamun, kheer.
गुलाब जामुन खीर खाते हैं? मिलता है मेनू में?
Sometimes, not really, not always.
जी तो आपको TCH में ये तो बता दिया आपने, अच्छा लगा है, कोई हमको सुजेशन देना चाहेंगे आप?
Suggestion for for non-veg students for is good. For vegetarians, they improve more gravy,
ओके
paneer gravy and all the improvement.
ओके हम ज़रूर आपके ये बात इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे। अच्छा और बताएं अभी जब आप इंडिया में थे तो बहुत सारी कुछ स्टूडेंट होते हैं कि यार जॉर्जिया जाएंगे पता नहीं कैसे रहेंगे, किसी प्रकार की कोई हेट तो नहीं होगी, क्राइम तो नहीं होगा?
No, there is no crime in Georgia. It's up to you. Also, that Georgian police also support you if you are correct. Otherwise, I am also living Georgia. Now is my 5th year. I am roaming whole night around. But for me, it's no problem if you are correct. If you are say something to Georgian people are also good. If you are say something, then it will be great problem for you. Otherwise, there is no problem, no crime and all.
What about the Georgian culture and the people?
Georgian culture is also good. And Georgian peoples also, some peoples are good, some peoples are not good in every country. So most of the Georgian students are good.
Okay, so what about how you celebrate your Diwali and all occasions?
Yeah, for Diwali we can celebrate. We can go to my friend's home, and we get in flats, so we can arrange all the stuff around during Diwali.
Does the hostel help regarding your celebration?
No.
No.
Listen here.
दिवाली वगैरह पे नहीं सेलिब्रेट करते?
No, there is no celebration. But most of the students going outside. So
that's why you going
That's the
outside.
reason, because I'm also for Diwali, for the festivals, I am not in hostel. I am outside of the hostels most of the time.
तो स्टडी कैसी रही इस साल में? टफ रही, मुश्किल रही? सबसे पहले क्या फील होता था और अब कैसे फील हो रहा उन कमज़ोर स्टूडेंट के लिए जो पास तो हो गए हैं लेकिन सोच रहे हैं कि ये कैसा होगा, या बाहर पढ़ना चाहिए नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए?
It's up to you, because for teacher not give all the information. It's up to you if you doing hard work like some, so that is will be good. Otherwise you think like the teachers gives everything, there is not possible. And you doing also hard work. So
अच्छा, जॉर्जियन लैंग्वेज के बारे में?
Yeah, about Georgian language is good. I learned so most of the
Some words, can
some
you
words.
explain some words?
Like if you say hello Gamar Joba,
Okay.
then Madloba is thank you.
Okay. If we say how are you?
क्या बोलते हैं उसको? शेन रोगो राखात.
कारगत का?
कारगति का.
ओके सो तिबिलिसी के बारे में बताएं, यहाँ पे कौन कौन से अच्छे प्लेस आपको लगे तिबिलिसी में?
Place is like you can go Liberty Square,
Botanical Garden,
Marjani Shally. Also there in Liberty Square there is mall, and also you can some McDonald's also here, so it's good.
शारदा न्यू वगैरह?
Shardini Eblavari, and also some cable wire. You can go Mother of Georgia. That also Botanical Garden is also in Tbilisi.
सो हॉस्टल के नज़दीक कौन कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटियाँ हैं यहाँ?
In near to hostel in my university, Petrosura Tbilisi Medical Academy, also Georgian Medical University,
ओके
Geomedi.
जियोमेडी। सो हॉस्पिटल वगैरह भी नज़दीक ही हैं यहाँ?
Hospitals, yeah, some hospitals is near. Like for me, gynecology hospital is near
ओके
to near maximum 2 kilometer.
Okay.
Some hospitals in main cities, main street.
ओके सो टुडे you have special dish regarding samosa. Can you taste and tell me how is?
Yeah, I can tell.
Give your true reviews.
Samosa is good.
Spicy? You like
Medium,
spicy?
Medium.
Yeah, medium spicy. Okay.
Rajasthan kachori.
This is the kachori, Rajasthan. Crunchy.
Yeah, kachori is also good. It's crunchy.
Crunchy. Mhm. So you remember Rajasthan again?
Yeah, in this hostel.
Really?
Yeah, because it's good. For me, if those students who are coming to Georgia and they are asking me, I prefer to stay in this hostel.
Is this hostel expensive for you or for others?
No,
How you think?
It's not as expensive. If you are living outside of the hostel, so you are around similar cost. Like mostly difference maximum $20 to $30 is maximum difference.
Okay.
But it is better to. It's your own choice. It's not. No one is forcing you.
Okay.
But if you are saying like, if you are someone asking me
Hmm.
to which hostel is better in Georgia, so I can say TCH, Tbilisi Classic Hotel.
Okay.
Hostel is better. No other comparison.
For your fabulous reviews, thank you so much. We want to tell you like this video we will upload on YouTube. We have channel there that people can watch this video and can check your true reviews, and they can if they like to visit us, so they
Yeah,
can
it's no
do.
problem.
So thank you so much. So this was Chandra Prakash Gupta from Rajasthan. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Best of luck.